Hi, my name is Ryan and welcome to Remac's Kitchen. And today I was trying to make this homemade Chili's peanut butter pie. This is a viral dessert from the Chili's. And I saw these videos on YouTube and I said, I think I can make a homemade version of that. And so that's what I did. So let's begin. We'll start off with one family size package of Oreos in the food processor. We're going to pulse it until it becomes crumbs. This is how yours should look like. Now I'm going to pour it in a bowl. And then we'll add 2 sticks of melted unsalted butter. And then we'll mix that together. Then we'll pour it into a 10-inch springform pan. Next, we're going to press it using a glass. And then we're going to use our fingers to press it even more. Put it in the freezer for a couple of hours. Now we're going to work on the chocolate mousse. 1 cup of heavy cream. 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. And then we're going to mix that together. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And of course, we're going to mix that together. And then make sure you scrape down the sides. And then, of course, we're going to mix it one more time. And this is how yours should look like. Now we're going to put this in the refrigerator so it can work on the peanut butter. You don't have to do it this way. You can buy your own store-bought peanut butter if you want to. But if you want to do it this way, there's 1 16-ounce jar of roasted peanuts. And we'll spread it around. We'll toast it for 10 minutes at 350 degrees until it looks like this. Then we'll pour it in the food processor and run it until it becomes peanut butter. It may take a while until it looks like this. Now I'll pour this in a bowl. We'll add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. And we'll mix that together until it's well blended. 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened. 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. 1/4 cup of pat brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Then we'll mix that together. Until it looks like this. Then we'll add the peanut butter. And then of course we'll mix together. Then 1 cup of semisweet chocolate chips. And we'll cover that up and put it in the refrigerator. After you've taken the crust out of the freezer, layer it with chocolate mousse. And make sure you spread it around evenly. And that's where I add the peanut butter chocolate chip layer. And we'll spread this around evenly. It may take a while, but eventually it will look like this. For the chocolate ganache, we're going to use 1/2 cup of heavy cream and 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And they're going to microwave it for about 2 minutes. After it's done, we're going to stir it up until it looks like this. It should be nice and smooth. And we're going to pour the chocolate ganache on top. And then carefully, we're going to move it around until it's fully covered. Next, we'll cut up 8 Reese's peanut butter cups. We'll cut it into quarters. We're going to place them evenly on top. Just like this. For the final layer, we're going to melt a half a cup of white chocolate chips in the microwave for about a minute. After it's done, we're going to stir it up. And we'll drizzle on top of the pie. And this is how yours should look like. This was a very delicious pie. The thing about it is that Chili's charge $10 a slice for this pie. And with the know-how to make this pie, you can actually make this a lot cheaper. And it will definitely taste better because it's homemade. I've never tried Chili's version, and this is my very first time making this. And I think I hit it out of the park pretty well. So give it a try.